HubSpot vs GoHighLevel, which is right for you. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to make a comparison review between HubSpot and GoHighLevel. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So HubSpot and GoHighLevel are both marketing and sales platforms in which they have similarities and some differences in their features and target users. So let's start first by knowing this HubSpot. So just open your browser and kindly go to HubSpot.com. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. But if you don't know HubSpot, it is a cloud-based customer platform that provides software, tools, and resources to help businesses connect their marketing, sales, content, management, and customer service, in which it is a leading contact, relationship management or CRM, marketing, sales, and customer service software company that helps companies attract visitors, convert leads, and close customers. And also, HubSpot's connected platform enables businesses to grow faster by focusing on their customers, since it also offers 24/7 customer support, onboarding services, free courses, and certifications. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plans that you can avail. By simply clicking this pricing option on the top panel, you will be able to see here some of the plans that they offer. And as you can see, they offer a plan for business and enterprises and also for individuals and small teams. And here are some of the plans that they offer. Under individuals and small teams, they offer $18 per month for CRM Suite Starter. And below, you will see the corresponding benefits it included. But below here, they also offer the free tools plan that is for free, the starter plan amounting to $18 per month, and also the professional amounting to $800 per month. And you will see here the corresponding features it included on each plan. And also in HubSpot, the pricing plan, they offer more expensive for additional features and users. Now moving on to the other platform called GoHighLevel.com. And if you haven't signed up for GoHighLevel yet, you can check the video description below for a special discount link. And if you don't know GoHighLevel, it is also an all-in-one sales and marketing platform designed for agencies and consultants to white label and resell to their customers, in which it offers a comprehensive set of tools and features, including a fully featured page builder to capture leads, lead capture tools such as landing pages, survey forms, and calendars. And aside from that, it also has an inbound phone system and also the CRM with smart lists, email, and two-way SMS capabilities. It also offers a payment collection, appointment scheduling, and analytics tracking. And now, to access this platform, they also offer a variety of plans that you can avail. We have here the starter plan and unlimited plan. And below here, you will see the corresponding prices and list of benefits it included on each plan. And as you can see, the pricing plan starts from $97 per month for unlimited features and users. But it also offers more affordable for agencies and scaling businesses. And now, in terms of the user interface, this platform GoHighLevel is known for its user-friendly and intuitive design, in which it offers a vast platform with a wide range of features including a fully featured page builder, lead capture tools, CRM, email marketing, landing page creation, automation workflows, and many more. And also in this platform, users have praised the platform for streamlining business processes and replacing multiple software tools with one, making it a popular choice for agencies and businesses looking for an intuitive and customizable platform. Now, on the other hand, in terms of the user interface of HubSpot, this platform also provides a seamless experience for content creators, marketers, and sales team, in which it also offers a range of tools and features designed to help businesses attract visitors, convert leads, and close customers. So basically, HubSpot is simple and intuitive user interface which is beginner-friendly and well-supported, while GoHighLevel is more flexible and sophisticated user interface, in which it requires some CRM and marketing knowledge. And aside from user interface of both platforms, they also differ in terms of their customer support. since HubSpot provides comprehensive customer support through various channels including chat, phone, and email, in which users can access real-time chat with a HubSpot customer support specialist and even request a callback or seek email support, in which this platform also offers a support inbox for users with paid subscription and a mobile app for the on-the-go support. So basically, it offers excellent and unparalleled support, offers live chat, phone, email, and community forums. While on the other hand, under this GoHighLevel platform, they also offer a 24/7 via live chat or by calling the GoHighLevel team, in which they also offers an extensive self-help portal with video, walkthroughs, guides, and articles, as well as free webinars and courses. So basically, the customer support of GoHighLevel is good and responsive support, which offers live chat, email, and Facebook group. While in terms of their CRM, GoHighLevel also offers a robust CRM system that is designed to help businesses manage customer interactions, track leads, and organize data. So basically, CRM of GoHighLevel offers a basic and functional CRM, which offers contact management, pipeline tracking, and reporting. Since GoHighLevel's CRM system is designed to be user-friendly and versatile, making it a popular choice for businesses looking for an intuitive and customizable platform to manage their customer relationship and sales processes. And also, in terms of their website and funnel building, GoHighLevel offers a website and funnel builder with templates and drag-and-drop editor, which integrates with WordPress and other platforms. While on the other platform called HubSpot, in terms of their CRM and website and funnel building, HubSpot also offers a cloud-based CRM system designed to help businesses manage customer interactions, track leads, and organize data. And the CRM product tracks and manages interactions between a company and its customers and prospects. So basically, the CRM of HubSpot is more comprehensive and powerful CRM, which offers contact management, pipeline tracking, deal automation, and reporting, which is also same as the GoHighLevel. While in terms of its website and funnel building, HubSpot also offers website and landing page builder with templates and customization, which also integrates with WordPress and other platforms. And now, in terms of their email marketing, HubSpot also offers email marketing with templates, personalization, segmentation, and analytics, which also integrates with Gmail and Outlook. Likewise, in GoHighLevel, which is also offers email marketing with templates, personalization, segmentation, and analytics that also integrates with Gmail and Outlook. And now, in terms of integration that both platforms provide, HubSpot offers seamless integration with over 500 apps and tools, which has a native integration with Zapier and other platforms. While GoHighLevel, on the other hand, offers integration also with over 100 apps and tools, which also has a native integration with Zapier and other platforms. Additionally, this platform GoHighLevel also offers features tailored for agencies such as white labeling, reputation management, agency, snapshot, and many more. While HubSpot offers marketing, sales, and customer service hubs with various features such as social media, SEO, chatbots, forms, surveys, and many more. So now that we know the similarities and differences between the two platforms, we can say that HubSpot and GoHighLevel have different strengths and weaknesses, in which HubSpot is more comprehensive and user-friendly, but also more expensive and less flexible. But GoHighLevel is more affordable and scalable. However, it is also more complex and less supported. So the choice between the two platforms depend on your choice, goals, budget, and skills. So that is just a comparison review between HubSpot and GoHighLevel. Thank you.